Budget-friendly with solid features, Donor packs surprising value for beginners and home players. First, Donor weighted keyboard beginner, Bluetooth, $199.99. This 88-key weighted beginner keyboard with Bluetooth is a bargain for players who want a full keyboard and wireless convenience. The weighted keys help build proper technique, while Bluetooth lets you stream lessons or backing tracks. It's a smart starter pack for learners who want piano feel and modern connectivity without a high price tag. Second, Donor beginner weighted keyboard, furniture, $249.99. A beginner-focused 88-key digital piano that comes with simple furniture-style support, cleaner setup, stable playing height, and a home-friendly look. The weighted keys help fingering and expression, making practice feel purposeful. For families setting up a practice corner, this Donor offers a near-piano experience at entry-level cost. Third, Donor OURA S100 weighted Bluetooth, $299.99. The OURA S100 blends 88-key weighted action with Bluetooth streaming, great for learners who want to use apps or play along tracks wirelessly. It's a little step up in sound and feel for those ready to invest slightly more. The Bluetooth feature makes lessons and backing tracks effortless. Plug in and play with modern workflow. Fourth, Donor DDP60. 60-key, $179.99. A compact 60-key portable digital piano designed for space-conscious players or beginners who don't need a full 88 keys yet. It's lightweight and easy to move, with basic sounds and functions for practice at home or in small rehearsals. Think of it as a travel-friendly practice keyboard with enough keys to learn essentials. Fifth, Donor Plus, semi-weighted with headphones, $229.99. This 88-key semi-weighted piano bundled with headphones focuses on silent practice and comfort. The semi-weighted action balances responsiveness and affordability, and the included headphones mean late-night practice won't disturb the house. It's a thoughtful combo for learners who value quiet, focused practice sessions.